Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to use Adobe Illustrator to show how to draw a snowman. Before watching this video, please make sure to watch our short video titled, How to Create Objects, Shadows and Highlights in Adobe Illustrator. Also watch our short video titled, How to Outline Compound Shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Both these videos touch on some of the concepts we will visit here. I added the links to both of them in the description for you. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. First, we will start a new project in Adobe Illustrator. Now, using the Shape tool, draw two circles to form the snowman body. Adjust positions as necessary. To rearrange the object position or stack, you can select the object, then on your main menu, go to Object and select Arrange. Next, I'll adjust the circles so that they aren't completely round. Next, I'll create the scarf. And then the hat. I'm using the Shape tool for the hat. Let's work on the base. Start by using the Shape tool to draw an ellipse. For the top of the hat, start by using the Shape tool to draw an ellipse. Duplicate the ellipse. Next, use the Shape tool to create a rectangle between the two ellipses. Next, we will combine the shapes. To do this, select the shapes, and use the Pathfinder tool's Unite Shape mode. Duplicate again to form a stack. You can group them. Adjust positions where necessary. Now, using the Pen tool, we'll work on the nose. Then circles for the eyes. Next, the hands. We will use the Pen tool for this, but with border thickness increased to make them bold. Remember to adjust borders as necessary. Here I am adding shadows around our snowman. Again, our video on how to create objects, shadows and highlights in Adobe Illustrator shows how to achieve this shadow and highlight effect. Follow closely. Adding good shadows and highlights helps you achieve a three-dimensional look. Next, using the Pen tool, I'm creating a pattern for the scarf. Next, mask the patterns in the shape. I'll add some color. Now, I'll do the same for the rest of the scarf. Here, I'm adding a shadow. Next, I'll work on the nose. I'll fill in color, then add a highlight. Then I'll add some lines for extra touch. I'll color in the eyes next. For highlights, I'll just place white circles inside the black circles. Next, I'll color the hat and add shadows. I'll make some adjustments around. Now, we want to thicken the outline border on the entire image. Again, our video titled, How to Outline Compound Shapes in Adobe Illustrator, shows the full process of how I went through this step of outlining my entire figure. We have now illustrated how to draw a snowman. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.